So I just got done doing the cam phasers, and as you can see, the car doesn't start. So, mistakes were made. And I'm gonna teach you what those mistakes were so that you don't do it and you don't end up having to take it all apart again. So here, let me show you what I did. So as you know, we have the intake and exhaust, and each phaser, if you guys can see that, let's see if it'll focus, says AUS right there. So number one, I inadvertently swapped those two. Shouldn't be a big deal, and I can swap it back. What is a big deal though is, follow me. What's a big deal is that these two are different, and I did not know that. So if you see where the dowel pin goes and how close to the dowel pin that this pin sits in is like that. However, this one, we put the dowel pin in the same position at 12 o'clock. You can see that where the pin goes here, that's in a different position. Now, I did not know this. These can fit on either one. I just grabbed them from my pile, rebuilt them, and threw them on that. And now my car doesn't start. It cranks, dumps fuel in, but the timing's wrong because it doesn't know what to do, because the cam phasers are not doing what they're supposed to do. So the computer's getting all messed up. So, guess what? I need to take it all apart again. Not quite how I wanted to spend my day, but I learned something. And hopefully you guys are learning something too, that you can't just grab a piece and put it on. I mean, you could, but you're gonna end up like me, more than likely, if the odds aren't in your favor. This is why I don't gamble, right? Because I never get, by chance, it doesn't always go right. So, that's okay. We learned, we're moving on. I'm taking it all apart again today. And I'm gonna take every phaser off, take out all the plates, and rebuild them twice. So I'm not gonna bore you with this. I just wanted to teach you guys that the phasers are different and the plates are different. And now we know. It's all put back together. This one was messed up and this was messed up. So it was good that all this came out. I did have to fix it, and now I have now marked them. So if you guys want to, here's the dowel pin at the 12 o'clock. I will put this one at the 12 o'clock. Intake, exhaust. You can clearly see where the pins go, how different they are. So, lessons learned. You know, that's how we learn. I was able to do this in about 4 hours, take it all apart, redo it, rebuild it, torque everything, put it back. I've also done it a lot. So obviously the first time didn't take as long, but now that I know what I'm doing, what I'm looking for, it all goes a lot easier. So let's see if it starts. Kind of the moment of truth here.